alligator, big and green. B is for bear, wild and unseen. C is for camel with humps on its back. D is for dolphin, splash with a smack. E is for elephant, large and grand. F is for flamingo, pink in the sand. G is for gorilla, strong and stout. H is for hippopotamus, wallow about. Let's learn the animal alphabet. From A to Z we won't forget. Each letter has a beast to show. Come on kids, let's give it a go. I is for iguana with spiny scales. J is for jellyfish with long flowing tails. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, quick. L is for lion, mighty and slick. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for narwhal in the cold sea. O is for owl with big bright eyes. P is for penguin, tuxedo disguise. Let's learn the animal alphabet. From A to Z we won't forget. Each letter has a beast to show. Come on kids, let's give it a go. The Q is for quail, so small and sweet. R is for rabbit with ears so neat. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vulture, high off the ground. W is walrus with tusks so wide. X is for x-ray fish that swims with pride. Y is for yak, so fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, trotting along.